Here are some compound interest problems and looking for different parts of the basic formula. And the basic formula is amount equals the principal, that's the amount we're investing. So this is the amount we have at any given time t. So the amount equals the principal plus 1, or the principal times, excuse me, times 1 plus r, which is the interest rate, over the number of times we're compounding it per year. And then the number of times we're compounding it per year times the number of years. So let's take a look at this first example here. If you invest $4,500 in an account that pays 12% interest compounded monthly, how much would you have at the end of 10 years? So pretty much we want to know the amount we'll have at the end of 10 years. So we just put our numbers in the formula. Principal is $4,500. That's how much we're investing. And 1 plus, and the interest rate is 12%. Now we write that as 0.12. And it's compounded monthly, so that would be 12 times per year. And then again, that same 12 times the number of years, and this says 10 years. So we just put that in the formula. So that's how you would do that. Now we just have to work it out. Now I try to simplify inside here first as much as I can. So A equals 4,500. And I know that 12 times 10 is 120, so my exponent will be 120. And let's get our calculators out. This is a nice, simple little TI calculator. And we'll put 1 plus 1. Well, let's kind of clear that. Let's do the 0.12 divided by 12. So 0.12 divided by 12 is equal to 0.01. And then if we add that to 1 plus 1, we'll get 1.01, and that goes inside the parentheses here. Okay, and then all we have to do is raise that 1.01 to the 120, then multiply it by 4,500. So that's what we're going to do. Clear that. And say 1.01, 1.01. Now this calculator is nice. It's got a little caret right over here, and that's going to tell you to raise to the power. And I just put 120. And I can press enter, and then I multiply that times 4,500. And you get $14,851.74. $851.71. Okay, now you could have done a little bit more of this by using parentheses. You just have to be careful when you're doing so many terms, but I'll show you how to do this a little bit differently. Just putting it all in one fell swoop, I could say 4,500, and then parentheses, and then I've got 1 plus, and I'm going to put another parentheses because I'm going to take 0.12, so I'll put another parentheses there. Hope you can see that there. There's a little glare there. It's better, I guess. And I'll put a parentheses, and I'll put the 0.12 divided by 12. And I'll put a parentheses around that, and then a parentheses around that whole 101 plus that. And then I'll raise that caret to the 120. Now if I did my parentheses right and I press enter, I should get the same thing, and there we do, we get the same thing. $14,851.74. So you could do it in one movement, or one operation, one fell swoop, so to speak, but you would have to be very careful with the parentheses. All right? So hope that makes sense.